Brad Williams, Excel Prime, sort disasters by month and day. We're going to use a new tool, SORTBY. Sorts the contents of a range or array based on the values in a corresponding range or array. The arguments, we have an array, we have by array, and then we have two optional. And what we're doing is we want to search by month and day. So all we have to do, we have to throw a little curve in here and make sure SORTBY understands what we're trying to do. We have two name ranges. We have disaster and B5 to B16. Then we have date 204, B5 to C16, and then specifically date. Here, we're going to look at the array, our list, then by array. You can design this any way you want. All you're doing is telling sort to identify here and then sort by our date, our text by month, day, day. That's it. We're going to sort by month, day, day. We're going to look at another example. You see here, there's a difference here. We threw in a unary. Now I found that the results are going to be the same with or without the unary. You can practice on this and see in a large scale example whether this first example is accurate as opposed to this and vice versa. Why are we using text? We have to convert this over, right? The reason for the unary is to take this mmdd and then convert it over into a number. There's the output from example 2. There's the output of the text with the unary. And what do we have? 1107, 1219. It's just going down this, and then it's going to sort by this particular format. Take a look here, take a peek at this and see the outcome, F9. You can see the difference here. One's a number and one's a text. F9, hold on. If we do the exact same thing on the first example, you can see that this is text, but it just happens to be sorting by and providing the exact same results. I would use the unary because we're getting a cleaner output. Here, we're dealing with text and you don't know what that final output will be. Whatever works for you. Here's an introduction to SORTBY and the various functions that you can combine. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.